Morning, friends. I hope your day is off to a great start. We're going to start off with making a number sentence, and we are going to sort the friends who have the letter I in their name and those who do not have the letter I in their name. So we're looking for either a capital or a lowercase letter I. So let's take a look at all of our friends' names. Adeline has a lowercase I, Richard has a lowercase I, Camila has a lowercase I, so does Diego. Oh, and so does Paisley. So does Kalia. Lily Mae has two lowercase i's. Jamias has one. Wow, lots of friends with the letter I in their name. Brian has one. Aisha has one. Emiliano also has two lowercase i's. Did I miss any? Let's take a look. Nope, doesn't look like it. Okay, we're going to count how many friends do not have the letter I in their name. How many do not over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, guess what? I missed one. Oh, geez, friends, just a sec. I missed Emily. Emily has a lowercase I in her name. Let's move her over here. Whoops. I wish you guys were here to help me so I didn't make these kinds of mistakes. All right, let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 friends do not have a lowercase I or a capital I in their name. So I'm going to write a number 8 right here. Will you write an 8 in the sky with me? Use your finger. All right, number 8. 8 students do not have an I. Let's count how many do have the letter I in their name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Our number sentence looks a little bit different today. 12 friends have a letter I. So let's read this number sentence together. 12 students with the letter I plus 8 students without the letter I equals 20 students in our class all together. Awesome job, friends. Let's take a look at our calendar. Let me get my pointer. Oh my goodness, it is the month of May. How exciting! A new month has just begun, and we have lots of birthdays in that month. We have Emiliano, we have Kaylina, we have Jamias. Who else is? Oh, and we have Lily Mae's birthday coming up this week. Very exciting. Very exciting. So today is May the 4th. May the 4th. And today starts like the letter M. You got it. Today is Monday. Tomorrow starts like the letter T. Tomorrow is Tuesday. That's right, friends. And yesterday was a weekend day, and it starts like the letter S. Sunday. That is correct. Well, it looks like we've got a very exciting month ahead. Lots of friends are turning 5. I'm so excited for you. And I wish we could be together to celebrate those birthdays. Let's keep on moving. All right, I'm going to point and you say your shapes. Good job, friends. I have a question for you about two shapes. There's something the same about an oval and a circle. There's something that's the same about them. Can you think of what is the same about those two shapes? Tell someone at home what you thought of. I thought of the fact that a circle and an oval both have a curved line. They both have a curved line. Maybe you said that they don't have any pointy corners. Maybe you said they don't have any straight lines. Those would all be awesome answers as well. Can you look around the room and find any circles or ovals in your home? Awesome. Let's keep it moving. All right, let's read our morning message. I'm going to point to the words and you say them with me. Good morning, class. Today is Friday. Tell someone at home the 4 stages of the butterfly life cycle. Can you remember all 4 stages of the butterfly life cycle? I'll give you a second to think. First, a butterfly starts out as an egg. You got it. They start out as an egg, and out of that egg comes a caterpillar. That's right. Awesome job. And the caterpillar eats and eats and eats and grows and grows and grows and sheds its skin and sheds its skin. And then hangs upside down in the shape of a J and starts to form what? A chrysalis. Awesome. And inside of that chrysalis, the butterfly grows and changes and grows and changes and grows and changes. And when it's all done, out comes a beautiful butterfly. Awesome. So we have egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, and butterfly. Those are the 4 stages that we have learned about the butterfly life cycle. Way to go, friends. I'm glad you are remembering all that we're learning. Let's circle a sentence today. All right, let's circle the sentence that says, Today is Friday. Do you remember what a sentence is? A sentence is a group of words. You are correct. So we are going to circle a sentence that says, Today is Friday. When I say a word, you put your finger up so we can count how many words are in this sentence. Today is Friday. How many words is that? Count your fingers that you're holding up. I'm counting 1, 2, 3. The first word is today, and it starts like t, t, t. Can you remember what letter makes that sound? T, t, t. The letter T. So I know the first letter of the first word in my sentence is going to be the letter T. And because all sentences start with a capital letter, it's going to be a capital T. And I'm looking around at my sentences. I see a sentence that starts with T right here. I know that it's the beginning of a new sentence because it's a capital letter, and I see the period from the sentence before. Let's see how many words are in this sentence. Did you count 12? I counted 12. We're looking for a sentence that has 3 words. So can that be the right sentence? Nope, that's not the one we're looking for. We better find another capital T at the beginning of a sentence. Do you see one anywhere in our morning message? I see it. Let's see. This is the letter T and it is a capital. It's the beginning of a sentence because what do you see right here? The period from the end of the last sentence. Awesome. All right, let's see if we can get all 3 words. Today is. Who can help me out? What happens when you get to the end of the row? Where do you go next? Should I go down here? Or down here? Is this the next word? Or down here? Oh, I go right down to the next row and go to the far left because that is the beginning. So we go across and then we go back to the beginning of the next row, the very next row. That's the word Friday. So we have today is Friday. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. It looks like we found our whole sentence. Thanks for your help, friends. Let's erase this so we don't accidentally think it's part of our sentence. All right. Way to go today on our morning message, and way to go remembering our butterfly life cycle. Today, we're going to do a little bit of measurement because that's something that we've been practicing last week and we'll keep practicing this week. So, I want us to remember the most important things about measuring. Now, we're measuring with what we call non standard forms of measure. And that's things like a caterpillar. And last week, I hope you followed along with our website pre-K and PJs and measured a room in your house with your body, just like Sid the science kid and his friends did. So we are going to measure this shark with a non-standard form of measure, and that is this square. So, can you tell me the first thing I need to remember about measuring the length of something? I'll give you a hint. Where should I start measuring an object? At the very end. So, what part of this shark's body is the very, very end? What's the very end? Is it his fin? Is it his mouth? No, of course not. It's the very end of his nose. I'm going to start at this end. So I want to start at the very, very tippy end of his nose to start measuring. And I want to go all the way across to the very end, the very other end of his body. What's the other thing I need to remember when I'm laying down my non standard forms of measure? That's right. I need to put them end to end right next to each other. Very good. Let's keep going. Am I done measuring yet? Have I gotten to the end? Nope, not yet. I've still got a little ways to go. Can you estimate how many more squares do you think I will need to get to the end of my shark? Do you have an estimate? Estimate means making a smart guess. I'm looking. It looks like I might need maybe about 1, 2, 3 more. I don't know. That's my estimate. What was your estimate? Let's find out if we're correct. We're going to get all the way to the end. What other body part is at the very, very end of my shark? Where should I stop when I'm measuring this shark? You're right, the very end of his tail. Oh my goodness, I think I've got it. Oh, we got to scoot some of these with just a teeny tiny bit. Oh my goodness, I forgot that happens. Just a moment. Let's fix our squares here. There we go. Okay, they're pretty close, not quite touching, but pretty close. Does it look like I've done a pretty good job of measuring my shark? I think so too. Let's count how many squares long this shark is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My shark is 7 squares long. Amazing. Thanks for helping me measure, friends. All right, let's complete our sentence down here. The shark is 7 squares long. 7 squares long for this shark. Guess what, friends? I've been measuring our caterpillars as they have been growing ever since I got them, and I've been measuring them with my own non standard form of measure. I've been using a paper clip to measure the caterpillars. I'm going to post a photo of that for you on Class Dojo so you can see how our caterpillars have been growing. I hope you're going to have a great rest of your day. I miss you a ton, and I will talk to you